Hello everyone, today we're going to repair a FANUC system main board, model A06B-3200-0491. The customer reported that after powering on, the 7-segment display showed alarm code 3, after careful measurement and inspection. Our engineer found that the issue was mainly caused by these two IC chips on the board. We'll start by replacing them. The larger chip will be removed and reinstalled using a BGA rework station. After removing the chip, we clean the pads thoroughly. Then solder a new chip back onto the board. For the smaller IC, a rework station is not required. We simply remove it, clean the area. And solder a new one in place using a soldering iron. If you have any CNC related repair needs, feel free to contact us or visit our website for more information. Once the replacement is complete, we power on the board for testing. The system starts up normally, and no alarm is displayed. This completes the repair process for the FANUC main board A06B-3200-0491.